How to set C translation on Facebook. If you want to set up or use the C translation feature on Facebook, this feature allows you to easily translate posts and comments that are in a different language. And here is how you can set it up and use it. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, tap on the three dash menu option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once inside the menu section, scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Once you tap on the settings and privacy, tap on the settings. Now once inside the settings, scroll down and look for the language and reason option available there and simply tap on it. Once inside the language and reason, you will get to see options available there. Simply tap on the language you would like to have post translated into. As you can see, I have my language enabled in English. If you don't, then simply tap on it and navigate to the another screen. Now once here, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the language you want to see the translated post into. So I've set my translate post into English. You can do it according to your preferences from the language options available here. And once done, simply tap on the save icon available at the top left corner of your screen, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.